runway model. Just like this looks like runway kind of.
I'm just standing there.
Oh, you know I did send them some.
Hey, what's up? It's your best friend in beauty, Aquia Robinson, and today I am taking you along with me on a photo shoot. My girl Tenasia, who is a model here in the DMV area, asked me to do her makeup for a photo shoot that she's doing. She's building her portfolio, so I gladly said yes because she is gorgeous. I got to work with her maybe like a few weeks ago, maybe a month ago. Absolutely stunning, up and coming model. But yes, I'm about to head inside the studio right now and get started with makeup, so come along with me, all right? Let's go. Let's say hi, my gorgeous model for today. About to transform. You shot with them.
I just love how I look like a baby without makeup. Then when I'm filming makeup, it's like, oh, pow.
Transform.
Yes. I just want to feel like I feel like I'm grown, but I want to feel like I'm like, I don't know, like at the pace, like a good pace. Cause like I've done like 15 shoots, and I think that's good. Cause I keep seeing the 11, 11, 2, 2, 2. That's basically about like
the angel numbers.
yeah.
The ones of that.
So the universe is basically like telling me, just be patient. It's
You're
coming.
You're on the right track for sure. You're shooting with the right people. They're full of models. Look at it. You just gotta look at the type of stuff that they produce.
Yes, that's why I keep looking at their portfolio, and like even like 2 months later, okay, here goes another shoot. Like I wanna be working already, and then I will show like what I've produced already.
What's your sign again?
Four.
Oh,
Oh, you feel the vibe.
I think I asked you that. I think. Y'all be going to karaoke sometime on Tuesdays.
No, I want
You should
to.
come one day. It's in downtown Silver Spring.
Oh really? That's
Mhm.
close. Wait,
It'd be fun.
I'm asking my cousin when to go. Like, it's still like open. Oh, okay, yeah, I'm going on Tuesday. Oh,
Tuesday before last was the first time I actually did karaoke. When I first started doing makeup, I got quick and I got good really quick. The aftermath. Look at this gorgeous girl. Yes. Photo shoot ready.
Like a runway model. It's like, this looks like runway kind of.
So Tenasia is about to head on set soon. They're back there. I don't know if you can see, but they're back there setting up. So I'll give you a sneak peek into what she is doing today. She's building her portfolio, so make sure y'all book her. Look at this gorgeous face. Make sure y'all book her. She is in the DMV area, willing to travel, okay, if the coins is right. Yes. I'll leave her information down below. We make everything hard. All right, so that is a wrap for today's shoot. I hope that you enjoyed coming along with me and watching me work and just, getting an idea for, what goes on behind the scenes of some of these shoots. Tenasia, girl, you absolutely killed it. I cannot wait to see the pictures, the final results. So make sure you're following me on Instagram at Aquia Robinson or Friends in Beauty or both, so that you can see the pictures when they are released. But yeah, I love doing photo shoots. Photo shoots just allow me so much time to be creative and just kind of kick back and just be a creative, you know what I'm saying? So I absolutely love creating in that type of environment. I love photo shoots more than like anything. It's like photo shoots and special occasion clients. But yeah, let me know if you want to see more vlogs. I'm thinking about doing more vlog style videos and then incorporating some educational content into the vlogs. Let me know what you think about that. And if you have any ideas for any type of videos you would like to see here on Friends in Beauty, let your girl know and I got you. And I will talk to you next time. Bye.